Hey everyone, welcome back. If you forgot a password that your iPhone saved for you, do not panic, do not reset it. Every password in your iPhone is stored in one place, and here's exactly where it is. On your iOS 18, Apple created a separate app called Passwords. Look for it on your home screen or just swipe down and search for it. Open it and it will ask for your Face ID or passcode. Make sure it's you. To make sure it is you. After that, you'll see every single password listed by app and website. Tap on any one of them to see full username and password. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top and just type the name of the app or website. And if you cannot find this app on your home screen, just go to settings and scroll down a little and tap on passwords. It's the exact same thing. Now, all you've got to do is open the passwords app or go to settings and tap passwords. Every saved passwords is right there waiting for you. Subscribe for more iPhone tips subscribe for more iPhone tips you do not